before we jump into this video, I just want to say, if you're new here, thank you. Wait, if you're new here, thank you for, that's not right. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do another unboxing of some shoes I got. I was undecided on whether or not I should do this in 2 videos or 1, but I need to get some content out, so let's go ahead and do this in 2 videos. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share this video, and if you're not new here, thank you for coming back to watch another video. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this, because these unboxings can sometimes be boring. I know y'all probably be feeling like they're boring, but let's go ahead and get into what I got. Okay, so in my video for last week, I showed y'all how I went shopping and I got some things, but I didn't want to really like show y'all what I got. So now I'm gonna go ahead and reveal what I actually picked up. Okay, so we got some new shoes. So I kind of adjusted the camera a little bit, but let me see. Okay, so I saw this girl with these on Instagram, and she was swagging them out, and she's like a little teacher babe. Not that she's like really a teacher babe, but I mean, she got some sneakers, right? She got shoe game. So I was like, ooh, I like the way she swagged those out. So let me go ahead and cop them. So I did. Okay, y'all. Let's go ahead and get to opening this up. So I didn't buy these from the Gucci store because they didn't have my actual size at the Gucci store. So I got them from Nordstrom's. So it comes with this cute little card or whatnot. And then of course it comes with the classic little, what do you call this? The little bag or whatever that you can put your shoes in, that, you know, the little protective bag. So I got 2 of those. All right, look. Don't judge me now. If y'all think these are ugly, let me know in a comment section. I'm telling you, the girl, she swagged them out. And I feel like I can swag them out too, but let me know if these are if these are a keep or a take back. I need a little catchy slogan, but let me know if I should take these back or keep them. I was undecided. They're a little bulky. I don't want y'all to judge me. Okay, so I got these. They're so tiny. Look at this little shoe. Oh, let me see. This is what they look like. They're like reflective right here. So I think that's gonna be dope, like especially when I'm out being a little thotty at a day party or something. They're gonna be all reflective or whatnot, but this is what they look like. I'm trying to make sure I cover my face so that it stays in focus. Give you the all around look of the shoe. Let me hide. So what do y'all think? And I love this bottom because it's like super bright orange. I think that's cute, but yes, baby, these are these. I think I can swag these out. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? What y'all think? Y'all think I can swag these out? I feel like I can swag these out. I just gotta have the right outfit to go with them. I'm probably gonna show y'all these on my feet once I decide to actually wear them, and like put them with something. But for now, I'm not. So y'all tell me what y'all think about the shoes. I get it, the colorway is a little different. They're gonna be super hard to probably put a fit with, but I'm up for the challenge, y'all. Like, I need to kind of like step my little game up a little bit. I haven't really just been dressing like that. I need to get this sewing back in. I'm rocking the real hair right now, so I feel real basic, right? I feel real basic. I don't have no lashes on, y'all. I'm just feeling real basic. So hopefully I can bring this outfit or these shoes together with a bomb ass outfit. And if I do, then I'll make sure to insert pictures. But until next time, y'all, I love you once again. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in the next video.